Okay, doing a little quick video here on the opening range breakouts. A lot of traders on social media have been asking about them. We do them every day in the chat room, but on Fridays they are particularly profitable. And this was a trade last Friday on Facebook, one that we trade almost every Friday, and for that matter, almost every day. We like the spreads, we like how it moves. So notice going into Friday that there was a lot of OI, call OI up here at 11, 111, 112. Everybody's bullish Facebook. So we were looking to fade the gap up. And I'm going to play the video. We had the 111 puts ready to go. And actually the video, it is playing. We're at 9:28. 16. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit here, and these are the 111 puts. They're ready to go. Now toss is strange on the on demand as to how you get your fills, so I'm just gonna go and mark it on this right here when we get the signal. Now first thing we're gonna notice is we're gonna get a gap up, and right at the open I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy 10 right at the open. So because I wanna short Facebook. Okay, so right at the open we're gonna buy 10. And here we go. We should see the open here. And we got a little pre-buffer, that's okay, right? Let's let toss pre-buffer this. And once again, this is a indicator that we use. It's a custom indicator that gives you buy and sell based on your opening range. So as you can see, it dropped below, gave a sell, dropped below, gave a sell, gave a sell, gave a sell. All these moves below. Also, we have the smart cross indicator, which is basically an 8 and 21. It also gives alerts in toss, which you can change. Change it from whatever moving averages you want. If you want the alerts, if you don't want the alerts, doesn't matter. And I usually don't trade all these indicators here, but on the opening range I like to, because I like to see where the momentum is building. If we're oversold, overbought, where we are in the waves. And I will go over how to trade these soon in another webinar. It looks like it's taking a while for toss to pre-buffer this. And I don't use toss, I use Interactive Brokers, and you can pretty much see why. So I'm gonna, okay, here we go, we're open. We're just gonna buy market 10. Let's just buy market 10 right at the open here. I'm not taking my order for some reason. So as you can see, it's 28 cents. I want to get 10 of these things, and I'm trying to buy market 10. Yeah, so we're at 36 cents. I tried to buy 10 at market. Not sure why this is not letting me do it, but we're at 34 cents right now. All right, now I'm gonna slow it down to normal speed because I want you to see this. This is very important as to what's happening now. So the first candle is coming in here, and if you can see the options, we dropped down to 33 cents on those. The first candle's forming. We're letting the first candle form. All right. Just keep in mind these are around 32 cents right here, right now. This is where we tried to get in. I don't know why I can't buy it. Let me just see if I can buy. Auto sends on. I don't know why it's not letting me in this demo here, but it doesn't matter. It's 33 cents, right? Okay. So we got our first candle. Look how the first candle's forming. We tried to get it up here at 33 cents. Right at the open, we fired them out. They're cheap. They're the 111 puts. They expire, right? They're cheap, 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 cheap. So the first candle's trading and established the opening range 1172 top, 11101. This is why we love to trade Facebook. This thing can move, and it can move fast. In first 5 minutes, we're in a range of 39 cents to 25 cents on these options. 10 contracts is about $300. Okay, it's come up to this resistance level. We can see it clear as a bell, right? All right, second candle. Here we go. Watch, does it take out the body of this first candle? That's what I'm watching right here, right now. I'm watching. I want to see if it closes below it. If you want to time your entry a little better, all right, it's coming up. It's trying to take out the body of that first candle. Is it going to do it? Can it do it? No, it can't. It's looking like it cannot do it. We want to buy. I'm not sure why I'm not getting filled. So 30 cents, we're trying to buy. We actually bought at 30 cents. Can't take out the body of that first candle at top. Facebook's trading weak. A lot of OI in the call side at 111. We're looking for a break of 111. That's why we got the 111 puts. We got them cheap. These bad boys are real cheap. And if you look at the option chain, low a day was 25. The puts are rallying. Boom, boom, boom. Remember, we're in this trade. Auto send. I got buy market. I don't know why I can't buy. It's not letting my order. But anyways, we're in at 30 cents. All right. And what's Facebook doing? Facebook's selling off. Now 30 cents is $300 on 10 contracts. All right. Selling off. Now there's the bottom of the opening range. Okay, coming down to 821 EMA. So we've already made $100 on the trade. $100. Remember, we get it at 30. Okay, we're coming up to, looks like we're going to make 500 pretty, going to go up to 50 cents pretty easy. This looks like it's going to break that opening range, right? Couldn't take out that top body of that first candle. Came up into resistance. Okay, there's the bottom of the opening range, 111. We're looking for a 111 break because we saw a lot of call OI there. All right, big money's got our back right here, right now. Okay, stop on this trade obviously is going to be up here. Okay, so now we get in at 30. We're up like $140. Okay, we're looking for an open range break right here. 5-minute candle. All right. Let's just say you had 10 contracts. You got them at 30. Boom, 50 got hit. You just made 200 bucks. Coming down, testing that opening range. Made 200 bucks from a $300 entry. Okay. So you could have scaled some out if you wanted to. I see no reason to. Now we're trading below the 821 EMAs. Okay, momentum down, turning down. Okay, we're testing that opening range again at 5. We broke it. Broke the bottom of that first 5-minute candle. This is what we're looking for. Remember, we got it at $30, 30 cents. I'm sorry, $300. Now we're up $250. Okay, we're up $250. Okay, there's our double. We're up $300 on this trade. You're going to be scaling out on your doubles once you get 600. Pulling back up. It's trying to hold that opening range. Look at the volume though. Look at the volume of that first candle. Okay, now you're up $230. 230. Boom, boom, 230, 250. Okay. It's struggling a little bit. We got to be careful of this support down here. You're going to want to scale out obviously at a support level. Okay. And it's breaking though. Facebook is trading weak. Facebook is trading weak. Never took out the body of that first 5-minute candle. There's our midline. Okay. Now I actually have targets. Here's one target on Facebook. First target is 110.27. And what we want to do is we want to see if Facebook can hit 110.27. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit 3 times. Okay. We're going to speed it up 3 times. So we're speeding it up. This candle's still weak. No reason to get out. Obviously take some profit. Almost a double here. Almost popped up to a double. We're going to pre-buffer a little bit, which is normal for Thinkorswim. Looks like a lot of people are hitting their servers right now. So we're pre-buffering. So once again, we got to be careful of this support down here. This was nice resistance. We saw it wanting to gap up into this area. We wanted to fade it. There are a multitude of reasons why, all of which gone over in chat in the trading room. And once again, a lot of people are using TOS. So we're getting some pre-buffering. And just so you know, this is the Keltner-Chandler's Bollinger Bands, which I like to use. The wave from TTM, 2 TTM waves, the squeeze. And we are in a squeeze. And I normally don't use the bottom 2 indicators during my normal trading, but I like to on the opening ranges in case we get a really oversold or overbought condition. Okay, so now we got another candle. It's coming back up. Let's see if it goes in the opening range. Basically, my stop right now is this blue line because we've already scaled some out. But I'm willing to stay in this trade for the win. I want to get a win on this trade. I want to get a big win. Remember, we get in 10 contracts around 30 cents. So we paid $300. We're up $200 right here, right now. And it's only 15 minutes into the trading session. And we're about 250 bucks on 10 contracts. And this candle's not looking too strong either, is it? What you can do is use a 1 bar trailing stop. And that's also right at that blue line, 111.37. Okay. Now we are coming down in this support. I'm not going to let it bounce on the support. Go back up. Okay, we're getting up to our double. Boom, we got our double. We just made $300. Could have got out at, you could have got out at 59. Struggling with that double from a 30 entry. Okay. Struggling. Nothing's telling me to get out of the trade. Nothing's telling me Facebook's going to rally. All right. We're trading below the opening range. Okay. Facebook's not strong. If you're looking at the level 2 on Facebook, which I do, you're going to see it. Okay. There we go. We got it at 30. Now you could get out probably 66. Pretty easy. You could get out 66. Pretty easy on that right there. Okay. 66, pretty easy. Okay, 66, pretty easy. And we're still struggling, guys. Not coming into the opening range, trading below the 821 EMA. You notice how we got the red arrow here. This was a sell signal officially, though we jumped the gun on a trade I kind of like to do, which is trading the body of the first candle. But we did get a sell signal on the indicator going down right here. Okay. Remember, we're at 30, 10 contracts, 300. Okay. Still trading below the opening range, below the 821 EMA. Momentum is shifting down. Looks like it's going to be another successful Facebook Friday. Right? So we're at 62 from 30 entry. Get out, take your double, scale out, do what you want. Okay. And Facebook just broke the support. Squeeze fire to the short side. We should see some downward momentum. First target we're looking at is 11027. All right. But we get in at 30 cents. Remember, we already got a double. All right. All right. So 80 got hit. Okay, that's $500 profit in 20 minutes on a Friday. $500 profit, guys. $500 profit. We're looking for a target of 110.27. And I'm out. I would be out most of this trade right here. I'd probably have a couple runners right now. All right. From a $30 entry when I'm at $70, when I'm at $80, $500 profit. I probably just got a couple runners left. All right. Maybe 2 runners. And we're almost at the profit level. So you would basically, we're starting to bounce up here. I'm going to use this 11064 as my stop. 11064 on the remaining as my stop. If it closes above it, I am out my 2 runners. Okay. You also could use the 8 and 21 EMA, which is a smart cross. You can see it's red. It's bearish. Momentum is to the downside on Facebook. The squeeze has fired short. We don't have any real oversold on the RSI. Still watching that 5-minute candle. Hasn't closed above the blue line yet. Goal of trading is to stay in the trade as long as you can. Okay, once again, we've scaled out most. We've only got a couple runners going, but we're going to try to milk them. So just get hit at 80 cents. We get in at 30. Get hit at 85. All right. Now we are approaching target 1 on the indicator that we use. All right. Okay, so this is up on the 10 contracts. If you had stayed in 10 contracts, okay, you could almost get out for a $600 win. Now we're starting to get a wick. Let's watch our wick, see what we get. All right. Now this is how I like to trade on Friday. There's very specific strategies and setups that I like. Okay, $600. We get in at $30, 30 cents. Okay. This is a nice win. Okay, it's coming down to our first target. Now I would be down to just 1 runner. That's it, 1 runner, because it already hit my first target. All right, I don't want to be greedy. There's other trades I want to be looking at and trading. Okay, other trades, and we're going to get our first green candle. First green candle, I'm going to be out. I'm out. This is going to make a bounce. I can tell right here. And remember, we were looking at that blue line. So I'm out. All right, this is how you can trade the opening range for big profits. We do this every day in the trading room. I teach it. I live by it. And many traders, if you had traded 10 contracts on Facebook, you would put at risk $300. You might have had a 50% stop, so you would have risked $150, and it ran to 90, which would have been about a $600 profit had you held those. So guys, I hope this helps. I wanted to go over this little 5-minute opening range, and we got our first green candle, and it hit our target profit to the penny on the opening range indicator that I do use in the room. Look at that, right to the penny, guys. Okay, so trade smart, and hope you guys catch some opening range trades on Friday, and those are the ones that really work well, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Remember that when that was low day, 25 cents, and it popped up to 90 cents. We basically caught it at around 30. Could have bailed out pretty easy up here in the 80s. So trade smart. Hope you have a good week, and until next time, see you later.